my finger out of the way. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is Terry with TnT Living, and let's get that camera out of my way there. Okay, we are up here near between Williams and Flagstaff today, and we're doing a volunteer project. What we're doing is welding the fence for the elk water. Elk water is right there over my shoulder. And so we brought Chester, which is Ty's work truck. Dan is here with his truck. He's the elk water guy. He comes out and makes sure if there's no rain, that tank right there has water in it. So the elk will have water. Hold on, I'll turn around and show you more. Okay, we got Bertha here, Everett, Chloe and Chester. Chloe's the dog, Chester's the truck. And Ty is over there welding with Cobain, and the older gentleman is Dan. He is the person who comes out and waters the elk. So you see that fence right there? We go around and show you. It goes all the way around, and what it does is it keeps the cows out. Well, all the welds have broke. Not all of them. A lot of the welds have broke, so Ty's going through and welding them back. And what that does is it keeps the cows out. And that's the worst spot right there, obviously. We're doing that last, and then the gate is last also. Okay, we're doing that second to last, and the gate will be last if we have time. So Chloe and I are out here enjoying it. We're moving stuff around, keeping Ty welding, and we'll show you some more a little later. Well, we're coming to the end of the first side. All of this has been done all the way down to the gate. Then the next side is pretty short. The corner is right in front of the truck. And then we'll go down the third side. There's Chloe. There's the water tank. This thing's pretty neat. All the rain catches up there, if there is rain, and comes out that pipe right there into here. It's kind of icy right now because it's cold. Chloe had a drink a few minutes ago. Pretty ingenious. All right, hang tight. We'll be right back with you. Helping Dan fill the water tank up. Cobain's on the quad. See him coming through the trees there. Chloe's over there in the shade. There he goes. Well, thanks for joining us. We finally finished. It's, what time is it?
Oh, I don't know. I don't have a watch on me.
Between 2 and 3.
Ish.
Yeah. And we were very happy to come out and help Dan out. And what is the name of the? It's www.
Elk Water.
Wildlife
Water
Works. That's it.
Yep. Yeah, so he does it. He volunteers himself. He brings a, I don't know if you want to show the fire truck or if you already did.
I did.
He volunteers and takes water to water catchments for animals up in northern Arizona, mainly 7 west, 8, and a little bit of 9. So in our drought summers, he hauls water and keeps the animals going.
Yep. So we were very happy to help him.
Yep.
All right. Well, thanks. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one.